In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see sent emails from your Gmail account. By the end, you'll know exactly where your sent messages live on both the web and the mobile app, and how to quickly find a specific email when you need it. Start by opening Gmail, either by visiting the website in your browser or launching the Gmail app on your phone. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log in, and make sure you're in the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. On the Gmail web interface, look to the left side of the screen. You'll see labels like Inbox, Drafts, and Spam. In that same list, find the label called Sent or sometimes Sent Mail. Click it to open. This is the dedicated place where Gmail keeps copies of every message you've sent from this account. Inside the Sent folder, your emails are arranged by date, with the most recent at the top. That means the latest message you sent will be the first one you see. If you've replied to a conversation, Gmail may group messages together, so opening a thread will show your replies alongside the earlier messages. If you can't immediately spot the one you're looking for, use the search bar at the top. Type in a keyword from the subject, a unique phrase from the message body, or the recipient's email address. Even a small detail like a project name or meeting title can help narrow things down. Quotation marks can be helpful for exact phrases. To refine results further, use Gmail's advanced filters from the search bar. You can set a date range if you know roughly when the email was sent, or limit results to messages with attachments. You can also target a recipient by their address to reduce unrelated results. These filters work together, so combining a time frame with a recipient and a keyword is a great way to zero in fast. On the Gmail mobile app, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left to open the menu. From there, select Sent. You'll see the same list of sent messages, ordered with the newest first, just like on the web. When you find the message you want, open it to review the content. From here, you can forward it to someone else, resend it, or print it if needed. And that's it. Gmail automatically saves all sent emails in the Sent folder, so you have an easy, reliable place to revisit what you've sent whenever you need it.